Winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Northern Franklin, northern St. Lawrence, and southwestern St. Lawrence counties. When? From 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. The strongest winds will be from 1 p.m. through 7 p.m. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. During the strongest winds, it's best to stay indoors and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. This is a wind advisory for the following areas in New York, southeastern St. Lawrence, and southern Franklin. Wind advisory in effect from 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. What? Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Southeastern St. Lawrence, southern Franklin, and western Clinton counties. When? From 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. The strongest winds will be from 1 p.m. through 7 p.m. Impacts. Gusty winds.
Well, there we go. I had to help this 74109 again. I have to keep helping it.
Vehicles.
I don't like how it takes a while.
High wind.
I like how it takes a while for it to go off. None of the Radio Shacks went off, which makes no sense. I don't quite get it. I heard an IM bot again.
Counties.
I gotta check
When?
it.
From 7 a.m. Monday to 1 a.m. Tuesday. The strongest winds will be from 1 p.m. through 7 p.m. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are expected.
Okay, so
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. During the strongest
regular,
winds, it's best to stay indoors and
Albany
avoid
alert.
windows. Watch for falling debris.
So it seems to be my internet died on the call once again. Yeah, we got it.
I, of course, Albany doesn't upgrade to a warning, you fricks.
Yeah, I had to assist the 74109 again. You went off first, Heather. Shockingly. None of the Radio Shacks went off, just like for like doubleheader winter storm warnings. So I feel like if it's the same message, it won't go off for it. That's my assumption. I feel like if it's the same message and it comes through, I feel like they're not gonna go off for that. Like it's gotta be a different, like, a different thing.
Yeah,
makes
probably.
no sense, but yeah, but that's really it.
Yeah. That does not make sense.
It does not make sense. Yeah, that's cool.
Well, Albany did not upgrade the winter weather advisory to the lake effect snow warning like Binghamton did. You fricks.
Yeah. This V3 went off this time. This V3 went off this time due to assistance from the V2's antenna. Thank you, version 2.
Will blow around.
I'm pretty sure you went off. I'm not sure. But yeah, that was a pretty good activation. High wind warning. Nice.